Hi, fifth grade. Thanks for joining me again. We are going to discuss lesson 83 of grammar. So you need your grammar books. You should have looked at the lesson outline on Jupiter. We're on page 440. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about indefinite pronouns. Our vocabulary today, our first word is subvert. To subvert is to destroy or corrupt. The enemy tried to subvert our mission. Our second word is subversion. Subversion is corruption or destruction. The enemy's subversion of our mission will not daunt us. So, indefinite pronouns. A pronoun that does not have a known antecedent is called an indefinite pronoun. It refers to a person or thing only generally. So the examples that they give us are anybody can come, several will walk, something is missing. So these indefinite pronouns, anybody, several, something, the antecedent of that is only general, it's not specific. Some indefinite pronouns refer to only one person or thing. They are singular and take singular verbs. So you need to look at this list that's here on page 440 and you need to memorize it. Another, anybody, anyone, anything, neither, either, everybody, everyone, everything, each, nobody, no one, nothing, other, one, somebody, someone, something, much. These are all singular, indefinite pronouns, so they need singular verbs. There are plural indefinite pronouns. The plural indefinite pronouns are several, both, few, many, others. These are plural indefinite pronouns. They refer to more than one person or thing, only generally because they're indefinite. They take plural verbs. There are a set of indefinite pronouns that can be either singular or plural. All, any, most, none, some, more. Those can all be either singular or plural depending on the sentence. So they are plural when they refer to things that can be counted. So the example they give you is most offices are closed on holidays. Offices is something that could be counted. So we use are, most are. They are singular when they refer to something that cannot be counted. Most of the pizza is gone. So most of a pizza is not a specific amount. It's not a counted amount. It's not counted. So we use the singular is. Okay? Like demonstrative pronouns that we did yesterday, indefinite pronouns can be also indefinite adjectives. Indefinite adjectives are a subset of limiting adjectives. Same words. If the indefinite pronoun is standing on its own, it's an indefinite pronoun. If the indefinite adjective comes before another noun, a noun, not another noun, then it is an indefinite adjective. So the examples that they give you, some are too ripe. Some is an indefinite pronoun in that case. Some pears are too ripe. In this case, some, the indefinite adjective, is modifying pears. So it is an indefinite adjective, not an indefinite pronoun. Now, If an indefinite pronoun is the antecedent for a personal pronoun, the personal pronoun must agree in number, person, and gender. So the examples they give you, they have a singular example. Everything has its purpose. So everything is the indefinite pronoun that is the antecedent to the personal pronoun its. Okay? And then we have a plural. Both have their purpose. So both is the indefinite pronoun that is the antecedent to the personal pronoun their. Okay. I would ask you now if you have any questions, but I can't hear you if you do, so you'll have to ask me at another time. There is an exception here about the difference between written and spoken. I'd like you to read that, but I'm not going to go over it because I would actually prefer for you to speak in a more grammatically correct way, but can't stop that tide sometimes. So let's look at our practice. For sentences A and B, write the indefinite pronoun and tell whether it is singular or plural. All of us are learning to serve the volleyball. So the indefinite pronoun is all, and it's plural. Nobody serves the volleyball better than she. The indefinite pronoun is nobody, and it's singular. For sentences C through E, choose the correct verb form to match the indefinite pronoun. None of the players are ready to play yet. So none is plural. So none of the players are ready to play yet. Some of the players are ready to practice. Some, again, is plural. Some of the players are ready to practice. Each of us are working hard. Each is singular, so each of us is working hard. For F through H, choose the correct personal pronoun and verb form to match the indefinite pronoun antecedent. Something has left its their feathers here. So our sentence should read, something has left its feathers here. Many surfers wax his, her, their surfboards every day. So our sentence can read, many surfers wax their surfboards every day. These are plural, so we want them all to match. H, none of his poetry sells for what they are worth. Our sentence should read, none of his poetry sells for what it is worth. All right, so that is indefinite pronouns. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you back here later. Have a great day, everybody.